Hello everyone, today is another day and another tutorial. So today we are going to make this awesome lower third. So it's very easy, just see the preview. So it's very easy and cool. First we will bring to the composition our logo, or we bring this Twitter icon, then we are make all these shapes one by one. So I'm just going to create new composition and give it to Twitter. So you can give it any name. So I am going to give it Twitter and 30 frame per rate and 10-second duration of the composition and 1920 1080 is the size of the container, and then click OK. Now just I forgot to change the color of this because the one shape is white, so it will be good to give it some color like that. Okay, and click OK and OK. Now just bring this Twitter to this composition and make it smaller by pressing S key. So I'm going to press S. You are seeing shortcuts here in this your keyboard utility, so I'm going to press S. So I'm now going to bring it smaller like that in size. Now just go like bring it here, make it small little bit more like that. So it will start animating from this and just goes to there. So for this we'll first apply opacity, so press T. So bring it, apply keyframe and bring opacity to 0. Okay, now just move a little bit and make the opacity 100. So this is the opacity. Okay, and now just at there animate his position. So for position we'll press the V key. Now apply position here and now just move to here the timeline and just move this one to there, just like that. So we have okay. So first it and here just move it a little bit there. So now it will look cool and nice. Just bring it near to the second one so it look fast. So this is the first animation we have. Now make it easy, press F9, go to graph editor and just bring these two like that. Okay, so it will now look like this. Okay, so it looks real. Now we are going to make these shapes. As you are seeing here, these shapes, both one is white and the other one is blue. So it's easy, just goes to this shape, make sure that the stroke is off. You can off the stroke by clicking this none. Okay, and give it a fill color of white and press OK. Now make the shape in size like that. Okay, now open this rectangle, goes to rectangle path 1 and go make it rounded like that. Okay, now just move a little bit with, just bring it down below the Twitter icon. So this looks like. Now we are just animate this Twitter more from start from here so it look good. So select this and move a little bit more like that. So now it will start like this. Okay, and select this position. Okay, select this one and just move a little bit more like that, so it will now look good. Okay, now so this shapes only reveal this only will be shown when this Twitter icon start from here, and when it reach there, so this shape will reveal full. So for this we will make another shape, so and then we will make track mark with this. Okay, this mode alpha mate, then it will disappear. So going to make new shape from here, make sure that no layer is selected and make a shape like in size like that. Okay, now give it another color so we can easily differentiate between these two shapes. So now when the Twitter start, just bring it down between below the Twitter. So now when the Twitter start moving, so we will bring this shape here like there. when the tweeter starts moving, so we will start animating this shape. So go to position and press P position and start keyframe, and when tweeter reach there, so it reached, sorry, just bring it here. Okay, like that, and make it alpha matte, so it will only appear when in this shape area, not on other area. So now see the animation. So the shape is, now make this position a little bit more like that, so the shape doesn't appear at the start. Now you are seeing, so the shape. Okay, now just select these both and select all these and press U. Now adjust these, so adjust these keyframes with each other. I'm going to adjust with each other, so you can adjust it, and when the animation looks good and awesome, so then it's okay. So you are seeing these, it's like that. Okay, now we are going to make this one, the blue shape, just put between these shapes. So for this we will take copy of this shape, so it will be good to take 2 copies of this shape. Ctrl D. Okay, and give it fill color of blue, like bring this eyedropper and give a blue color of like that. Okay, and now just resize it. So open the scale, and then just unlink these two so that not proportionally get scaling. Make it smaller and smaller like that. Move their position. Tough mouse, make smaller more. It's good. So make it like that. Okay, so both are animating in the same way. Now just the text remains, so how to start the text. Okay, so you are looking the animation, let's look awesome and feel. So the main logic is that let's select these both tools and make it duplicate. Now then resize the shape just by unchecking the scaling and make height smaller. So we don't need to animate again. So we just copy these layers, and these layers are already the animation of position and alpha matte. Okay, so now everything is okay. And now for just text, so select type text, your text. Okay, now I'm going to bring it here and make it larger. Okay, like that, and just bring it here. Okay, and give it fill color of white. Now take copy of this, Ctrl D, and bring it downward and make it smaller inside and give it fill color of black. Okay, now this text will only reveals when it is in this area. So it will animate like this one, it will move upward and the subtitle will move downward. This will move down and this will move upward. So for this we are going to animate this one. Okay, so it's easy, just bring it below. Okay, and select this and moves upward. Okay, now bring it more below like that. Now make a shape and size like that. Okay, and bring this shape to your below your text and make it this text alpha matte. So now animate the text positions, click position, and when this Tutor reach there, so it start animation position and bring it upward like that. Sorry, apply a keyframe here and little bit bring it upward like that, and repeat the same process for another text. Just duplicate it bring it up and make this alpha matte. And now bring this shape downward for the another text like that. And now animate the text, and here apply the position so it make align with the other text. So here apply with the position and just move ahead like that, bring it downward. Okay, so we have this animation. Now just bring it a little bit near and select this one, press P and bring it near. So now see the animation. Okay, you can play around with these keyframes, so I'm just going to bring it a little bit near, so let's start animation like that. Okay, now just select this in position, just move a little bit near and near. Now select a little bit and select these both, move like that. Now see the animation. Okay, so this is the easy animation that we have made, and I'm giving the link in the description so you can download it. I hope you learn something new. My English is weak, but you keep learning, be creative and never give up. So I will see you guys in the next tutorial. As always, I am Luqman. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.